What's up YouTube, Whiskey Throttle here, and today we're gonna work on the MoneyShotTruck. We got a ball joint we've been procrastinating to replace. We gotta do that, maybe. I don't even fucking want to, but we'll deal with that when we get to that road. And we got them kryptonite tie rods we gotta throw in. We're still waiting on the other strap, so we got the one strap on the one side. We can get all that done. We have to do some tuning and you know, an alignment. So let's fucking do it. Okay. Would you just look at that? Tie rods in, got everything hooked back up. Had to take everything apart, pull the axle out, everything, you know, because I replaced that ball joint. So ball joint's done. It's all fucking done over here. The only thing left to do is put the tie rod on the other side and do a string alignment, then wait for the other strap. It's on, or it's not on jack stand right now, but I got these pretty loose. We want a little bit of travel, but we'll see how this goes. I got a feeling it's gonna bend the fuck out of that thing, but we'll see. We shall see. Holy shit. Look at this heat lightning. Fuck. It's fucking silent. That is fucking gnarly. Wow. Okay, well, you know, fucking aliens are getting pretty hyphy because they know we just did our first pull off camera and these kryptonite tie rods are fucking ripping. Alright guys, I will see you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, we out here. We made it to Mexico safe and sound. We're about to meet up with our El Bandito, El Chuck, the Jefe. That's right, Chuck Boss. Whenever he gets here to this little meetup, we'll take a quick cruise to the spot. Fucking El Jefe. Fucking El Jefe. Sancho. That it took for me to be my way. Sancho! What's up, baby? Are you ready? Alright, let's fucking do it, dude. Yeah. No, he wasn't.
New shoes on a Friday morning. New look, still can't hide my board. I got a pocket for the change.
Hope this motherfucker's recording. You ain't getting in? Oh, fuck yeah, bud. Oh, god dang.
That'd be rough, huh?
Just be rough twisting them back together. Getting a bad oil feed or something sitting there idling.
Should we have made a lap around and look for the Mexican cops before we started?
No, I gotta do some tuning. It's not gonna be bad. I just gotta do. And usually the Mexican cops don't give a fuck.
What's it mean when the shitbox truck pulls out the laptop?
Something. Oh yeah, dude, it don't feel good. I'll say that.
I'm glistening.
It's fucking, it don't feel good. Alright, send to ECU.
Gotta get the AC hooked up on this rig.
Check it out.
You know we live in Florida, right?
Oh yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna show you what we're doing here. First thing we're doing is we got our two-step button, and right now it's overpowering the brakes. So at 3,000 RPM, it'll start pulling 5 degrees. When it gets to 30, 67, it quickly ramps to pulling 10 degrees. And you got to pull timing because it's overpowering the brakes. I don't want it overpowering the brakes, so that's basically why we're doing that. That's 4x4. Alright, so just making sure it's engaged.
Should I put my seat on
Yeah. We're only going 6. If I overpower the brakes, I have to change something. I did some tuning. I did some.
Hey, tell you what, a dang old detector man talk about government take away freedom of smoke. Man, tell you what, a dang old yo, man.
Tuning. Sorry, didn't mean to scream. I did some tuning last night, and I guess it paid off because that was a 15 PSI launch. Damn. So yeah, we'll set up the draggy now, and we'll do a hit. Even with these tie rods, it still did the torque steer, but this time it actually sparked the front tires, so that means it's getting enough power. That's what I wanted.
Glad I held on to the laptop.
Yeah. This should be pretty fucking gnarly.
Jeez.
Alright, so I'm gonna check all my temps. Training's a little warm, not bad. It's just good enough for a hit. We're gonna start at the starting line here, and we'll do a decent little pull. Alright, let's see. Engine coolant is 180, that's fine. So yeah, that tune-up worked. That's gonna work for me. It didn't overpower the brakes. I'm trying to think. Need to set up the draggy, which is this jaunt, and then I will be putting on my seatbelt. Alright, hold on to your toes, elbows, and nipples. Shit. That was a good run. Oh, come on. There we go. I'm just letting the air flow through it.
Ran up a check, I might do it again. Enemies close, had me thinking they're friends. 10 toes down, I'll be free until the end. Crib outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands. Took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I'll do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter. Gon' back it up. Matter what? Told you I'ma do me. Why you hating on me? It's not adding up. I do roll like a Mack truck. Country heart, I might cop a farm and go